everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and review on this month's Boxycharm box. This month's theme is vacation, and I saw this on Instagram before they actually sent the boxes out, and I just thought it was so cute. It's so colorful and fun. It's perfect for spring and heading into the summer. Boxycharm is a subscription service. It's only $21 a month, and every month the items exceed what you paid for the box. So if you want to see what I received in this month's Boxycharm box, then go ahead and keep watching. So the first item that I received is actually this eyeshadow palette. It's an eyeshadow palette collaboration that Boxycharm did with Pure Cosmetics. And these colors in here are just so pretty. I saw this on Instagram and I was really excited to try it out. I saw especially this blue eyeshadow shade. It just looks so pretty, and I don't really have anything in my makeup right now that's that color. So I was really excited to try it out. And the eyeshadows in here are so pigmented and they blend out so well. So I really like this palette, and it's definitely something I'm going to keep using in the future. This palette retails at $36, so already you've exceeded that $21 price point. So again, if you haven't checked it out, you definitely should. The next item that I received is actually this Vintage Cosmetics Smoky Eye brush set. It comes with 3 brushes, so these 3 here, I use these in my makeup look today. And I really like these brushes. I had never tried brushes by Vintage Cosmetics before, and they're super soft and they're not too long. I've had brushes in the past where the bristles are too long, so blending everything out is just a real hassle, and these ones seem really nice. So I think these are ones I'll definitely be using quite a bit in the future. This brush set retails at $23.15, so again, a great value for what you paid, and they seem like really nice high quality brushes as well. The next item that I received is actually this mascara by Butter London. It's called the Double Decker Mascara. I have never used any Butter London products before, and it seems to be doing really well. I like the brush. It really separated out my eyelashes, which was really nice. I'll see how it wears kind of throughout the day, but especially on my lower lashes, I really liked how the way that they made them look. So even if I don't continue to use it on my top lashes, I definitely will on my bottom lashes. And this mascara retails at $20. This item I think is one that had a couple different variations. I think I saw some people got another version of the mascara, but this is the one that I got. And I'm definitely going to keep trying it out, see how I like it. And then also we got a coupon for 25% off a $50 purchase at Butter London, so that came along with it. So I might check out their website, see what they have. Again, I've never really used any of their products, so if you have and you have a product that you love from them, let me know in the comments down below so I can check it out. The next item that I got is actually this blush by Pretty Vulgar. This is in the shade Hush Blush. This one I know came in 2 different variations as well. There was a darker one, which is this one here. That's the one that I got. And there was also another one that was a really bright pink. It seemed almost like a Barbie pink. I was really excited that I got this one because I don't wear a lot of blush in general, so I knew if it was too bright of a color, it's not something that I would wear. So I was really excited that this is the one I got, and then to be able to try it out. This item retails at $26, so definitely a good deal there, and I'm excited to keep using it. I've used it a couple times and I actually really like the shade. I've never really had a blush that I really like how it looks on my skin just because of the coloring, so that's why I don't use it very much, but I've used this again a couple days in a row, and so far I really like how it's looking, so I may step into that zone and start wearing blush a little bit more. And then the last item that I got in this month's Boxycharm is actually these eye gel packs from South Maine. I have never heard of this brand before, but I really like trying out new skincare products for anything for my eyes. I feel like I get really dark circles around underneath my eyes, so anything that says it'll help it, I definitely like trying it out. This says that it reduces puffiness, reduces dark circles, and moisturizes the eye area. I did notice that you're supposed to use this 3 days in a row, and it comes with 3 different eye gel packs. So I just used it today. I'll use it the next couple days and kind of see how it goes. If it's something that I notice a difference, I may purchase it again. As of this morning when I used it, I really did feel like it really moistured under my eyes. I didn't really notice a huge difference as far as diminishing the dark circles, so we'll kind of see how it goes after a couple days. This item retails at $10, so it's actually a pretty inexpensive product. So it's something, if it's something that I do end up liking, it's not something overly priced where I feel horrible about spending that much money just for a one-time use. So that is all the items that I got in this month's Boxycharm. The total value is $115.15. So that is the cost of all these items, and again, the Boxycharm box is only $21, so again, it's a huge savings that you get there. If it's something that you're interested in signing up for, I put a link down below in the description box, so go ahead and check it out. And if you like these videos, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if there's anything that you would like to see in the future, any specific type of looks or anything that you'd like me to do, let me know in the comments box and I'll try to do those different types of looks for you. But thank you guys for watching, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye!